Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a Kool-Aid pie. And it's only 3 ingredients in the pie crust. I have a graham cracker pie crust, pie crust here. And it's 10 inches, but it's a deep dish. And you need a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip. I have 2 here. These are 2 halves. And I've chosen black cherry because there's not much to choose from Kool-Aids anymore. And I'm going to pour the sweetened condensed milk in. Sorry about that. Just 1 packet of Kool-Aid. Oh, that smells good. Once this is mixed, it has to sit in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. How's everybody doing? Summer has arrived here in South Carolina. It's at 90. Still can be a little cool at night, but not enough to run the heater. And all you're wanting to do here is to make it all one color. Mix it. Stir in your Cool Whip. I'm excited to eat this. I have never had one of these. I actually saw Catherine's plate, which I'll leave a link to her show on here. Do it, and I didn't want to do black cherry because that's what she did, but there's not much to choose from with the Kool-Aid. At least it wasn't at Food Lion. I didn't check it at Walmart. I didn't want to do lemonade because, well, you know, that's a totally different recipe. Let me get something and get the rest of this out. Okay, I think that about does it. Just transfer it to here in your pie crust. That does smell very good. Up.
It's not me.
I think it's the TV in our bedroom making a beeping noise. Something's on TV. Sounding like an alarm. Now I'm going to try and get this layered, as flat as I can, but I will be putting whipped topping on top. Alright, I'm going to put this in the freezer. In the fridge for about 4 hours. And we'll bring you back when everything's done. Be back shortly.
I was still watching her fiddle part with it. You see fiddle part and it'll change.
Alright guys, our pie has set up, but I want to put some whipped topping on it. My blender, my mixing bowl and my beater, wire beater, has been in the fridge for about an hour. I just added a cup of heavy whipping cream, and I'm going to get it started. And I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of powdered sugar. And a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm going to make some deluxe whipped cream. Don't spill it all over the place. Doing it till stiff peaks form. So I don't want it to turn into butter. About a few seconds more. Oh, good Lord. Alright, here we go. Well, here we go, maybe. Damn it. Oh, sorry. Finally. Yep. That is perfect. I would pipe it, but I'm not gonna. This would be perfect if I had some cherries to put on it, but I thought I had some, but I don't. I like to put my cherries in my Pepsi and stuff. Or soak them in rum. Not really, I don't drink. Alright, I'm going to get some plates and a knife, and I'll bring you right back. Alright, I wanted to make sure the first piece was going to come out. Y'all know that first piece is hell. It's not perfect. But alright. Our black cherry Kool-Aid pie is ready. I want to thank y'all for joining me. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have y'all in the family. And when you do, hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Share this on your social media. give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment. Alright guys, dessert's ready. Bye.